Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. Over here I have the Casio WVA-M650 and I'm gonna show you how to set the time, date and other watch functions. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode where the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button for 5 seconds until the watch beeps twice. So let's go, press and hold, and there it is. We have our time zone or city code flashing over here. To switch between our time zones or city codes, we can press the upper left button or upper right button or lower right button. So let's go. Pressing the upper shuffles it as well as the lower button. I'm gonna get it back to Paris since that is my time zone. Once I'm done, I'm gonna press the mode button over here, and now we move on to setting our DST value. Is it automatic, on or off? Shuffling is done by pressing this button over here. So on, off or auto. I'm gonna leave it at auto. Next up, press the mode button once again, and we are now setting our 12 or 24 hour time format. Press the lower right button to shuffle it between 12 or 24 hour time format. I'm gonna leave it at 24 hour. Next up, press the mode button once again, the lower left one, and we see the seconds flashing. Now you cannot set the exact value of seconds, but what you can do is reset that value to 0 simply by pressing the lower right button, and it will go to 0. Once you've set your seconds, press the mode button once again, and we see that our hour value is flashing. You can change your hour value by pressing the upper right button to decrease it, or lower right button to increase the value. So currently it's 19 o'clock where my time zone is. Once I've set my hour value, I'm gonna press the mode button, and we have our minutes value flashing. To shuffle your minutes value, again press the upper right button or lower right button, and it will shuffle your minutes value. Once you set your minutes value, press the mode button once again, and now we are setting our year value. Again, to decrease it, press the upper right button or lower right button to increase the value. Once you set your year value, you're gonna press the mode button once again. So here we go, press it. And now we are setting our month value. It's flashing number 2, which corresponds to February, but you can shuffle it by pressing the upper or lower right button. I'm gonna leave it at 2 since that is the month of February. Next up, press the mode button once again, and we are flashing, or we have our day value flashing. We can shuffle it by pressing the upper right button or lower right button until we get it to the value that it is correct. Once you set your day value, you can press the mode button, and we enter our power saving mode. Basically, the setting of power saving, or to set it between on or off, you shuffle it using the lower right button. You shuffle it between on or off. I'm gonna leave it at on, and I suggest you do it as well. Next up, once you're done with that, press the mode button, and you can see we are back at the beginning, which means that we have ran through the cycle of setting our time and date on this watch. To implement the settings, simply press the upper left button, and the watch has now implemented all of those settings. How to turn on the auto light switch? From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode when the watch tells the time, press and hold the upper left button for about 2 seconds, and the auto light indicator will be checked over here. as you can see. Now, to turn it back off, the procedure is the same. Press and hold. And there it is. And now our auto light switch has been turned on. Thank you very much for watching. And if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.